This is first question. Center of the hyperbola 9x square minus 16y square plus 72x minus 32y minus 16 is equal to 0 is. So here given hyperbola is, this is 9x square minus 16y square plus 72x minus 32y minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we find the center of the hyperbola. So first to pick up x terms, here is 9x square is x term and 72x is x term. Write down this. This is 9x square plus 72x is equal to 0. So take differentiation with respect to x. This is 18x plus 72 is equal to 0. From this 18x is equal to minus 72. X is equal to minus 72 by 18. This is 4 times cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4. And pick up y terms in this equation. That is minus 16y square minus 32y is equal to 0. Now take differentiation with respect to y. This is minus 32y minus 32 is equal to 0. From this 32y is equal to minus 32. So 32 cancelled. So y is equal to minus 1. Therefore center is equal to, this is the answer, minus 4 comma minus 1. For this fourth option is correct answer. This is second question. The distance between the foci of the hyperbola x square minus 3y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 11 is equal to 0. So distance between the foci means this is the formula 2AE. This is the distance between the foci. So here is given hyperbola is, that is x square minus 3y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 11 is equal to 0. This is x square minus 4x. Write down x terms and write down y terms. This is minus 3y square minus 6y is equal to 11. So this is x square minus 4x. So this is x coefficient is 4. So that is dividing by 2. That value is 2. Now square, add 4. This is add 4 minus take 3 common. This is y square plus 2y. Here is y coefficient is 2 dividing by 2, that is 1. Add 1 square, that is 1, that is equal to 11. Plus here is 4 is added. Right hand side also 4 minus 3 into 1. This is minus 3. That is equal to 11 plus 4, 15. 15 minus 3. This is 12. This is written as, this is x minus 2 whole square minus 3 into, this is y plus 1 whole square is equal to 2. Now this equation dividing by 2, that is x minus 2 whole square by 12 minus 3 into y plus 1 whole square by 12, that is equal to 12 by 12 is 1. Here is 3 4 times cancelled. From this a square is equal to 12 and b square is equal to 4. From this a is equal to root 12. Root 12 is written as, this is 4 into 3. That is equal to 2 root 3. Now find eccentricity. Eccentricity E is equal to square root of a square plus b square by a square. This is the formula for eccentricity. So now substituting a square b square values, that is a square is, this is 12 plus 4 by 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. This is 16 by 12. Here 4 cancelled, 4 4s are 3 4s are, that is equal to E is equal to, this is 2 by root 3. Now distance between the foci, that is distance between the foci is 2AE, that is equal to 2 into a value, this is 2 root 3 into e value, this is 2 by root 3. Here root 3 cancelled, that is 2 into 2 into 2, this is the 8. For this third option is correct answer. This is third question. if E and E dash are the eccentricities of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 and its conjugate hyperbola, then the value of E square plus E dash square is equal to dash. Here is given hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Conjugate hyperbola for this, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. These two are called conjugate hyperbolas. For this hyperbola, b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. Here is E is eccentricity of the hyperbola and E dash is given, that is the eccentricity of the conjugate hyperbola. From this, a square is equal to b square into E dash square minus 1. So this is first equation and this is second equation. Multiplying these two, so left hand side this is a square b square is equal to a square b square into e square minus 1 into e dash square minus 1. Here a square b square cancel, from this 1 is equal to, this is e square e dash square minus e square minus e dash square plus 1. Both sides 1 is cancelled. From this, that is e square plus e dash square is equal to e square into e dash square. So for this, first option is correct answer. This is fourth question. E and E1 are the eccentricities of the hyperbola xy is equal to c square, comma x square minus y square is equal to c square. Then E square plus E1 square is equal to dash. Here is given hyperbolas are xy is equal to c square and second one x square minus y square is equal to c square. This is rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. For rectangular hyperbola, eccentricity E is equal to root 2. And this is also rectangular hyperbola. Here, so this is also E1 is equal to root 2. Now we find E square plus E1 square. That is E square is root 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square. That is equal to root 2 whole square is 2 plus 2, this is equal to 4. So for this, second option is correct answer. This is fifth question. If the foci of the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1 and the hyperbola x square by 4 minus y square by b square is equal to 1 coincide, then b square is equal to dash. Here is given hyperbola, that is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So foci, so for this foci is equal to, this is plus or minus ae comma 0. Here a square is equal to 25 and b square is equal to 16. Now we find eccentricity, that is a square minus b square by a square. This is a square is, this is 25 minus 16 by 25. 9 by 25, this is 3 by 5. Now foci is equal to plus or minus ae is 5 and e 3 by 5 comma 0. Here 5 cancelled, that is equal to plus or minus 3 comma 0. This is the foci. And given hyperbola is, this is x square by 4 minus y square by b square is equal to 1. For this foci, that is plus or minus ae comma 0. Here a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal given, that is b square. So now we find eccentricity E is equal to square root of a square plus b square by a square. So that is equal to a square 4 plus b square by 4. This is now foci is equal to plus or minus AE comma 0, that is equal to plus or minus AE is 2, E value root over 4 plus b square by 2 comma 0. Here 2 cancelled. These two foci are coincide, that means x coordinates are equal. Plus or minus 3 is equal to plus or minus root over 4 plus b square, squaring on both sides. This is 9 is equal to 4 plus b square. From this b square is equal to 9 minus 4. This is the 5. So for this second option is correct answer. Hyperbola passes through a focus of the ellipse x square by 169 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Its transverse and conjugate axes coincide with the major and minor axis respectively of the ellipse. The product of the eccentricities is 1. Then the equation of the hyperbola is dash. Here is hyperbola passes through the foci of the ellipse. So that is given ellipse is, this is x square by 169 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. First to find the eccentricity of the hyperbola. This is a square plus b square by a square. So that is equal to square root of 169 plus 25 by 169. 169, this is a square minus, this is a square minus 169 minus 25. This is 144 by 169. So that is equal to eccentricity E is equal to 12 by 13. Now here is given condition is that is E into E1, that is equal to 1. Product of the eccentricities is given. Now the eccentricity of the hyperbola is E1 is equal to 1 by E. 1 by E means this is 13 by 12. So hyperbola, eccentricity of the hyperbola is 13 by 12. Now verify the options. First I go to second option, that is second option is given, this is x square by 144 minus y square by 25 is equal to 1. For this is a hyperbola. Eccentricity E is equal to square root of a square plus b square by a square. So substituting in this is a square is 144, b square is 25 by a square 144. That is equal to 169 by 144. That is equal to 13 by 12. So this is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. For this second option is correct answer. By verification, product of the eccentricities is 1 is given. So for second option is correct answer. This is seventh question. The value of m for which the line y is equal to mx plus 2 becomes a tangent to the hyperbola 4x square minus 9y square is equal to 36 is dash. Here is given hyperbola is 4x square minus 9y square is equal to 36. This is 4x square by 36 minus 9y square by 36 is equal to 1. Here is 4 9 times cancelled, this 9 4 times cancelled. From this x square by 9 minus y square by 4 is equal to 1. From this a square is equal to 9, b square is equal to 4. And the given line is, that is y is equal to mx plus 2. This is a tangent to the hyperbola. The condition for tangency is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. This is the formula for condition for tangency. C square, here c value is given 2. that is 2 square is 4 is equal to a square 9 m square plus b square 4. From this, for this is hyperbola, c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. So this is 4. From this 4 plus 4 is equal to 9m square. From this m square is equal to 8 by 9. So m is equal to plus or minus root over 8 by 9, that is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2 by 3. So for this, second option is correct answer. This is 8th question. The equations of tangents to the hyperbola 3x square minus 4y square is equal to 12, which makes equal intercepts on the axis. Equal intercepts means the equation of the line is x plus y is equal to k. So here is x intercept is k and y intercept is k. And given hyperbola is, this is 3x square minus 4y square is equal to 12. So dividing by 12, this is 3x square by 12 minus 4y square by 12 is equal to 1. So here is 3 4 times cancelled, this 4 3 times cancelled. From this, x square by 4 minus y square by 3 is equal to 1. For this hyperbola, this line x plus y is equal to k is a tangent. So that means this is y is equal to minus x plus k. Condition for tangency is c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. C square, this is k square is equal to a square 4, m square is minus 1 whole square, this is b square is minus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. From this, k is equal to plus or minus 1. So substituting on that equation, that is x plus y is equal to plus or minus 1. This is the tangent to the given hyperbola, which makes equal intercepts on the axis. For this, first option is correct answer. Equations of one of the tangents passing through the point 2, 8 to the hyperbola 5x square minus y square is equal to 5 is dash. Here is tangents are passes through the point, that is 2, 8 and to the hyperbola 5x square minus y square is equal to 5. This is x square minus y square by 5 is equal to 1. Here a square is equal to 1 and b square is equal to 5. Therefore tangents equations are y is equal to mx plus or minus under root of a square m square minus b square. Here y value, this is passes through the point 2, 8. Substituting 2, 8, that is 8 is equal to 2m plus or minus a square, that is 1 m square minus b square is 5. This is 8 minus 2m is equal to plus or minus under root of m square minus 5. Squaring on both sides. 8 minus 2m whole square, this is 64 plus 4m square minus 8 to the 16, 32m is equal to, this is m square minus 5. Here 4m square minus m square, this is 3m square minus 32m plus 64 plus 5, this is 69 is equal to 0. Factors for this is 69 into 3, this is 69 into 3, this is take 3 common, this is 23, so 3 into 3 9, 9 into 23, this is 3m square minus 9m minus 23m plus 69 is equal to 0. From this take 3m common, this is m minus 3 minus 23 common, m minus 3 is equal to 0. From this m minus 3 is common and 3m minus 23 is equal to 0. From this m is equal to 3. Slope of that tangent line is 3. And passing through point is given, that is 2, 8. Therefore line equation is y minus 8 is equal to, this is 3 into x minus 2. So y minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 6. From this 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of tangent. For this, fourth option is correct answer. The angle between the asymptotes of the hyperbola x square minus 3y square is equal to 3 is dash. Here is given hyperbola is, that is x square minus 3y square is equal to 3. So dividing by 3, this is x square by 3 minus 3y square by 3, this is equal to 3 by 3 is 1. Here 3 cancel. So this is x square by 3 minus y square by 1 is equal to 1. From this, a square is equal to 3 comma b square is equal to 1. A is equal to root 3 and b is equal to 1. So angle between the asymptotes is, that is theta is equal to 2 tan inverse of b by a. This is the angle between the asymptotes of the hyperbola, that is equal to 2 into tan inverse of b value, that is 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3, this is 2 into, this is pi by 6, that is equal to pi by 3. For this, first option is correct answer. The combined equation of the asymptotes of the hyperbola xy plus x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here is given hyperbola is, this is xy plus x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here take x common, this is y plus 1 plus, this is written as y plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. From this, x into y plus 1 plus, take 1 common in these two, that is y plus 1 is plus 4 is equal to 0. So y plus 1 is common, that is x plus 1 into y plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the given hyperbola equation. Now asymptotes of this equation is, hyperbola and its asymptotes of equation differ by a constant. Therefore, asymptotes equation is x plus 1 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the combined equation of the asymptotes to the hyperbola, that is x plus 1 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. The equation of the hyperbola which passes through the point 2 comma 3 and the asymptotes are 4x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is. So the equation of the hyperbola which are given asymptotes, the equation of the hyperbola is, that is L1 into L2 plus lambda is equal to 0. This is the equation of the hyperbola when asymptotes are given. That is, first line equation is this is 4x plus 3y minus 7 into x minus 2y minus 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. This is the equation of the hyperbola. This hyperbola passes through the point 2 comma 3. Substituting in this, that is 4 into 2. 8 plus 3 into 3, 9 minus 7 into, this is 2 minus 6 minus 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. Here 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 into this value, 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 1, this is minus 5 plus lambda is equal to 0. From this, lambda is equal to 50. So substituting lambda value in hyperbola equation, that is 4x plus 3y minus 7 into, this is x minus 2y minus 1 plus 50 is equal to 0. So multiplying these two equations, that is 4x into x, this is 4x square minus 8xy minus 4x, and multiplying by 3y, this is plus 3xy minus 3 2s are 6y square minus 3y, and multiplying by minus 7, this is minus 7x plus 14y plus 7 is equal to 50. Now first to write down, this is 4x square, here minus 8xy plus 3xy, this is minus 5xy, and minus 6y square, here minus 4x minus 7x, this is minus 11x, so minus 3y plus 14y plus this is 11y, 7 minus 50, this is minus 43 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the hyperbola. This is 13th question. The product of the distances from any point on the hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1 to its asymptotes is dash. So the product of, this is the formula, the product of distances from any point on the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 to its asymptotes is, that is a square b square by a square plus b square. This is the formula. Now substituting a square b square values in this equation, that is a square is 16 into b square 9 by 16 plus 9, that is equal to 16 into 9 144 by 16 plus 9 25. For this first option is correct answer. This is 14th question. The area of the equilateral triangle formed by the tangent at root 3 comma 0 to the hyperbola x square minus 3y square is equal to 3 with the pair of asymptotes is dash. Here is given tangent equation, that is we know that tangent, that is tangent equation, that is s1 is equal to 0. Given point is root 3 comma 0. Substituting on that, that is x into root 3 minus 3y into 0 is equal to 3. From this, root 3 into x is equal to 3. From this, x is equal to root 3. So this is tangent equation, x minus root 3 is equal to 0. And pair of asymptotes to the hyperbola. Hyperbola equation is x square minus 3y square is equal to 3. So asymptotes equations are asymptotes are x square minus 3y square is equal to 0. This is written as x plus root 3y into, this is x minus root 3 y is equal to 0. So these are the equations. So first equation is x minus root 3 is equal to 0, and second equation x plus root 3y is equal to 0, and third equation x minus root 3y is equal to 0. This is third equation. Solving these three equations, point of intersection of 2 and 3, this is 0 comma 0. Because these two are passes through the origin, no constant term in these two equations. So point of intersection must be 0 comma 0. Solving 1 and 2. So that is solving 1 and 2, put x is equal to root 3 in this equation. So that is x is equal to root 3, substituting on that y is equal to minus 1. This is the second point. And solving 1 and 3. 1 and 3 points, that is we get root 3 comma 1. These are the points. Here the area of the triangle, equilateral triangle, that is first point is 0 0 and second point is root 3 comma 1 and third point is root 3 comma minus 1. Now area delta is equal to half into determinant of these points, that is root 3 1, this is root 3 minus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into root 3 into minus 1. This is minus root 3 minus root 3. That is equal to 2 root 3 by 2. Here 2 cancelled. That is equal to root 3. This is the area of the equilateral triangle formed by tangent and the asymptotes to the given hyperbola. This is 15th question. Here is given capital A secant theta, capital A 2 secant theta comma 3 tan theta, and capital B 2 sec pi comma 3 tan pi, where theta plus pi is equal to pi by 2. B 2 points on the hyperbola x square by 4 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. If alpha comma beta is the point of intersection of normals to the hyperbola at capital A and capital B, then beta is equal to dash. Here is beta means that is y coordinate. Now we find the y coordinate in the given point alpha comma beta. So we write the normal equations. Normal equation at capital A. So normal equation at capital A is, that is equal to, this is hyperbola is x square by 4 y square minus y square 9 is equal to 1. Here a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 9. That means a is equal to 2. Normal equation is ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. This is the formula. Here a value is 2. That is 2x by secant theta plus this is 3y by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square, that is 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So take this is written as this secant theta is 1 by cos theta. This is 2x plus 3y by sin theta. This is tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to 13. This is 13 into 1 by cos theta. So take cos theta, 1 by cos theta common, take this side. From this is 2x plus 3y cosec theta is equal to 13 secant theta. This is the normal equation at capital A. Similarly, normal equation at capital B. This is 2x plus 3y cosec pi, that is equal to 13 sec pi. Here is given theta plus pi is equal to pi by 2. From this pi is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, substituting on that. This is 2x plus 3y cosec pi. Pi means this is pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to 13 into sec pi. This is pi by 2 minus theta. So this is 2x plus 3y into cosec 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, this is secant theta, that is equal to 13. Sec 90 minus theta, this is cosec theta. This is second normal equation and this is first normal equation. Subtracting first equation minus second equation. Here is 2x cancelled. This is 3y, take common. 3y into this is cosec theta minus secant theta is equal to, here is 13 into secant theta minus cosec theta. So from this 3y is equal to, this is minus 13, take minus common, this is cosec theta minus secant theta by cosec theta minus secant theta. This value is cancelled. From this y is equal to minus 13 by 3. This is the value of beta. So the value of beta is minus 13 by 3. For this, first option is correct answer. This is 16th question. The midpoint of the chord 4x minus 3y is equal to 1 of the hyperbola 2x square minus 3y square is equal to 12 is dash. So for suppose we are taking midpoint is equal to say px1 y1. So if px1 y1 is midpoint, then the equation of the chord is, that is s1 is equal to s11. This is the formula. S1 for the hyperbola, that is 2x x1 minus 3y y1 minus 5 minus 12. This is 12 is equal to S11. This is 2x1 square minus 3y1 square minus 12. Both sides minus 12 cancel. From this 2x x1 minus 3y y1 is equal to 2x1 square minus 3y1 square. This is the chord equation, and the given chord equation is, that is 4x minus 3y is equal to 5. This is the given chord equation. 1 and 2 represents the same line, equating the x coefficients, that is 2x1 by 4 is equal to, so 3y1 by 3 is equal to, this is 2x1 square minus 3y1 square by 5. So this is equal to some k, say. From this, here 2 times cancel and 3 cancel. From this, x1 is equal to 2k and y1 is equal to k. So substituting in this equation, that is 2x1 square minus 3y1 square is equal to 5k. Substituting in this, that is 2x1 square, 2 into 4k square. This is 8k square minus 3k square is equal to 5k. From this, 5k square is equal to 5k. 5k cancelled. From this, k is equal to 1. Substituting, therefore, the midpoint of the chord x1 y1 is equal to 2k comma k. Here k value is 1, that is 2 comma 1. This is the midpoint of the chord to the hyperbola. For this, second option is correct answer. This is 17th question. If x is equal to 9 is a chord of contact of the hyperbola x square minus y square is equal to 9, then the equation of the tangent at one of the point of contact is dash. Here is given x is equal to 9 is chord of contact. So, and given hyperbola is x square minus y square is equal to 9. Substituting in this, that is 81 minus y square is equal to 9. From this, y square is equal to 81 minus 9 is 72. So y is equal to under root of 72. This is written as 36 into 2. So y is equal to plus or minus 6 root 2. Therefore, point x comma y is equal to 9 comma 6 root 2, 9 comma minus 6 root 2. These are the point of contacts to the given hyperbola. Now tangent equation at 9 comma 6 root 2 is, this is s1 is equal to 0, that is xx1 minus yy1 is equal to 9. So this is x into x1 9 minus y into y1 6 root 2 is equal to 9. So this is 9x minus 6 root 2y is equal to 9. Take 3 common. This is 3x minus 2 root 2y is equal to 3. This is the equation of the tangent at one of the point of contact. This is 18th question. If the line x plus y plus k is equal to 0 is a normal to the hyperbola x square by 9 y square minus y square by 4 is equal to 1, then the value of k is dash. This is direct shortcut formula. So the line x plus my plus n is equal to 0 is a normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is, this is a square by l square minus b square by m square, that is equal to, this is a square plus b square whole square by n square. This is the direct shortcut formula for the normal, condition for the normal. Here is given line is x plus y plus k is equal to 0, that is L is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1 and n is equal to k, and a square value is 9, b square value is 4. Substituting on that, a square, that is 9 by l square 1 minus b square, this is 4 by m square, that is 1, that is equal to a square plus b square, this is 9 plus 4 whole square by n square is k square. Here 9 minus 4 is 5, this is 5k square is equal to 9 plus 4, this is 13 square is equal to 169. From this k square is equal to 169 by 5. From this k is equal to plus or minus 13 by root 5. For this, second option is correct answer. This is 19th question. The distance between the tangents to the hyperbola x square by 20 minus 3y square by 4 is equal to 1, which are parallel to this. That means parallel to this line means slope m is equal to minus a by b, that is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is the slope. And given hyperbola, that is a square is equal to 20 and b square is equal to 4 by 3. So these are the a square b square values. Now tangents equations are y is equal to mx plus or minus square root of a square m square minus b square. These are the tangents equations to the hyperbola. That is y is equal to m, that is slope is minus 1 by 3 into x plus or minus a square 20 into m square, this is 1 by 9 minus b square 4 by 3. From this 3y plus x by 3 is equal to, this is take LCM, here is root 9 is 3, this is 20 minus 4 3 is a 12 under root. So both sides 3 cancel. So from this x plus 3y is equal to plus or minus root 8. This is 2 root 2. Therefore first tangent equation is x plus 3y is equal to 2 root 2, and second one x plus 3y is equal to minus 2 root 2. These two are the parallel lines. So distance between these two tangents, that is distance between these two tangents is modulus of c1 minus c2 by square root of a square plus b square. Here is c1, this is 2 root 2 minus of minus 2 root 2, 4 root 2 by root over 1 plus 9, that is equal to 4 root 2 by root 10. This is root 2, there 5 times cancelled, that is equal to 4 by root 5. So this is the distance between the tangents to the given hyperbola which are parallel to that line. This is, for this second option is correct answer. This is 20th question. If 2x plus ky plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 are conjugate lines with respect to the hyperbola, 5x square minus 6y square is equal to 15 is, then k value, the value of k is dash. So if two lines, this is the direct shortcut formula, if two lines L1x plus m1y plus n1 is equal to 0, comma l2x plus m2y plus n2 is equal to 0, or conjugate with respect to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the formula. This is a square into L1 L2 minus b square into m1 m2 is equal to n1 n2. This is the formula for conjugate lines. So now given hyperbola is, that is given hyperbola, this is 5x square minus 6y square is equal to 15, dividing by 15. This is 5x square by 15 minus 6y square by 15 is equal to 1. This is x square by 3 minus this is y square by, here 3 cancel, 2 3s are 5 3s are 15, y square by 5 by 2 is equal to 1. Here a square is equal to 3 and b square is equal to 5 by 2. So now substituting all these values in this condition, a square, that is 3 into L1 L2, that is 2 into 3, minus b square, this is 5 by 2 into m1 m2, this is minus k into minus 1 is equal to n1 n2, this is 3 into 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, this is minus 5 by 2 k is equal to 3. From this 18 minus 3 is equal to 5 by 2 k. From this 5 by 2 k is equal to 15. Here 5 3 times cancel. So k by 2 is equal to 3. From this k is equal to 6. For this first option is correct answer.